Do you know that having the knowledge of factors of a number will help you or your child to understand division of numbers? So what are factors? The factors of a number are those numbers that can divide a given number without having any remainder. Now in this short tutorial, we'll be learning how to get the factors of 30 and the factors of 24. So let's go to solve this. Now this method we're going to use is called the listing method. I want to use the listing method. So let's do this. So for the first one, we have 30. So the first factor, the first number that can divide 30 is what? 1. 30 divided by 1 gives us 30. The next number is what? Is 2. 30 divided by 2 gives us 15. Now the next number is what? 3. Is 3. 30 divided by 3 gives us what? 10. Now the next number that can go, if you use 4, you'll be having a remainder. So 4 is not a factor of what? Of 30. 4 is not what? A factor of 30. So the next number that can go in between them is what? Is 5. So 30 divided by 5 gives us what? 6. You see that the numbers are not well arranged. I needed to do this so that you, as you're dividing, you're writing the two numbers. This will make your work quite easier. So when you are done, you can actually come out to arrange it either in ascending or descending order. And that will give us 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. So these are the factors of 30. So let's get the factors of 24. 1 is a factor of every number. So 24 divided by 1 is 24. 24 divided by 2 will give us what? 12. Can 3 go into 24? Yes. 24 divided by 3 will give us what? 8. So what is the next number? 4. 4 here. 24 divided by 4 gives us what? 6. So what is the next number? 7 cannot go in 24 because 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 7, 21. If you add on that 7, it's more than that. So the next number is what? 8. We've already gotten 8. So these are the factors of what? Of 24. If we want to rearrange it, we have 1, followed by 2, followed by 3, followed by 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. So these are the factors of 30 and 24. So in the comment section, can you tell me the factors of 25 and 26? The factors of 25 and 26. Learn something about factors of a number. So go ahead to answer the question I've just given now. Do share our content with others and let them also learn just as you are learning now. Thank you.